What is up? We are back, week 8. Another update. Here we go.
Precast should only take a week to set and grout, and then we've got the topping slab to pour. So we've got a couple of days on that, let it cure out just a little bit, and then masons will bring their hydrolift. Scott's been really responsive lately, which has been awesome. Yesterday we had a conflict because these two catch basins here to catch all the water from the ramp coming down, they were basically tight to the building. Your stairwell and then sprinkler room and then our mechanical room and elevator shaft, and then we've just got the other stairwell once they get the form boards off from the wall that they're pouring today that we can start on Monday. Yeah, precast, topping slab, and elevator shaft.
Did you put in a good word to the man upstairs to make it?
Yeah.
Believe it or not, we do talk about those things, and we try to do that.
Well, I appreciate that.
Get them all fired up.
It's a little bit of a drive, but...
we can't do that.
And that pretty much wraps up this week's update on the Ho-Chunk Nation Village West 40-unit apartment building. Again, just super happy about the progress that we've seen over the past couple weeks. Everyone's been hammering it out. We've had really nice weather, so that's exciting. Hopefully that continues. By the time this video drops, we'll have all of the site infrastructure all buttoned up. And it looks like we are about 2 to 3 weeks out from framing, so major milestones this week, and we will see you next week.